Welcome guys. Today I'm going to show you guys a demo video of how you can connect your Oukitel smartphone to your Oukitel smartwatch. It can work for any smartwatch within the Oukitel range, but today I've got in front of me the BT20 as well as the WP36. Okay, so I'm going to take you through and show you how exactly you're going to connect. The first thing that you're going to need is you're going to need to get and download the Fit Cloud Pro app. Okay, I've got it over here already. Download it. If you don't have it downloaded, you can get it off the Play Store, Google Play Store. Just go in, type in Fit Cloud Pro, and then you'll quickly recognize the icon. Okay, so what we're going to do is I've got the smartwatch on as well. I'm going to step into my Fit Cloud Pro app. Okay, once I've done my logins, I'm going to be met with the menu, and then we'll go to device. Okay, once we get to that tab over there, okay, making sure my smartwatch is also on. Okay, I'm going to go for bind device. Okay, and then once I'm in bind device, okay, I might be met up with this question here. I'm just going to go okay, and I'm going to make it allowed. Okay, Bluetooth is disabled for me, so I'm going to just tap turn on over there. I'm going to allow it. So obviously you want to make sure your Bluetooth device or your Bluetooth is on or is engaged. Okay, it will automatically pick up the BT20 or the closest rugged smartwatch that you've got. Okay, I'm just going to go in here and say connect. Right, and then as soon as we do that, the smartwatch lights up and shows me this over here. I'm going to go in and go for the tick. Okay, I'm going to accept that just to bind the two. You'll get that binding notification, and then you'll also get a response once it has been connected. You saw the tick over there, and then the phone will also give me a response saying that I can pair or the device has been paired. Okay, there's a multitude of things that you can do once you've got the BT20 and the rugged smartwatch connected, but from there you can do all the different capabilities that you need to do with the watch once it's connected. So that's basically everything we have today to take you through and how to connect your smartwatch to your smartphone. I hope some of the applications that are available on the smartwatch do pique your interest. And please, if you have any questions that do surround any of our Oukitel products, feel free to leave us a comment and do subscribe to the channel.